Hey everyone, welcome back once again at your favorite channel jobonline.com. Guys, today I'm again here with one more new job vacancy and that is in really very big company. Yes, Walmart is hiring for multiple position and multiple location across the globe level. So in this video guys, we are going to discuss about for which department they are hiring and for which location they are hiring. How can you apply for these vacancy and what you need to do in these job profiles. So in this video, we are going to discuss each and everything. And if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, then do subscribe it because this channel is really very important if you want to build a career. If you want to build your career in private sector or in public sector across the globe level. So stay tuned. Let's get started on my computer screen and have a look about these job vacancy opening in Walmart. So guys, right on my computer screen, you can check out over here. I have opened up the website of Walmart. It's in career option. It's in career page of Walmart. And here you can see there are many filter. You can see you can check out right over here on their title page. You can see they have multiple filters right over here. So what you had to do, just choose the filter according to your location. Like what you had to do, you need to click on the filter first. Like if you are willing to work in Silicon Valley, you can choose this filter. If you are willing to work in DC metro area, you can choose this filter. If you want to work in India, you can choose this filter. If you want to work internationally, you can click on this filter. So we are just clicking on international filter and you can check right over here. They have vacancy in Africa. These are the country in which they have opening in Africa. They have classified the job in Asia. They have vacancy in China. They have vacancy in India. They have vacancy in Japan, which is in Asia. Then in Europe, they have vacancy in United Kingdom. In North America, they have vacancy in Canada, Costa Rica, and many more country, including Mexico and United States. In South America, they have vacancy in Argentina, Brazil, and Chile. Guys, they have classified these job according to the region in this situation. So first you select the region, first you select the location for which you are searching out job in Walmart, and then after you need to take a filter of the position for which you are applying. Like, so I have choose the filter of Canada. After clicking the Walmart for Canada, you need to click on learn more option, and after that you will light down on this page which is of Canada. So all the vacancy which are for the Canada location, you will find out on this same page which are for the Canada location. You can choose this filter also. You can search job according by filling this filter. Like I have filled sales Toronto location I'm looking for, and just click on this search button. And if you want to see the recent job openings for these job vacancy, then you will find all these recent job vacancy right below that. You can see over here all the vacancy which are posted recently. Like this vacancy posted on 26th in November 2021. This vacancy is posted on 6th December 2021. This vacancy is posted on 12th 4th 2021. So these are the recent job vacancy which is posted on December and November. So you will find out all these job vacancy has been posted by Walmart for the Canada location. So you will definitely find these vacancy, and if you are eligible for any of these job vacancy, just click on that vacancy and you will find a apply link for applying for that vacancy in Canada. Likewise, if you're looking out job in any of these region, like I'm looking out for a job in North America, I have clicked on Canada. And if I'm looking out job in United States, same thing I had to do here itself. Click on United States and then learn more option, and you will find out job all this job opportunity which are open up for US location. So you will find out the career option of US, and after that you need to click the filter right over here. You can just check out over here. You need to click the career option, and after clicking on the career option, you will find out the job opportunity the US location. So you can check right over here all these job vacancy like Sam Club's job, Walmart management job, Walmart stores job, support service job, Sam Club management job. You will find all these opportunity which are open up for US location. Like I'm clicking for store jobs, I will click on these job vacancy and I will find out the position for which the job openings are there in US. Like they have vacancy for cashier and front end. If you're looking out for a career for which where you can work on part-time basis, then this opportunity is for you. It's for the cashier and front end. You need to do a work of cashier. For this job vacancy, you can check right over here. They can pay you minimum of $12 and maximum up to $17 for an hour. You can work for this opportunity if you want to work on part-time basis. The second vacancy is for food and grocery. You can check right over here. For this job vacancy, they can pay you up to $22 for an hour. Third vacancy is for the profile of general merchandising. For this job vacancy, they can also pay you up to $17 for an hour. And after that, you can check this opportunity online order filling and delivery system. For this job vacancy, they can pay you up to $21 for an hour. So guys, these are all the vacancy which you can check out, which you can work for full-time and part-time basis. So if you are looking out for any job for where you can work according to your needs and according to your time schedule, you can fix your job, you can apply in any of these job vacancy in United States. You can check out all these vacancy. These are recently posted on their website and you can directly apply by after reading all the duties and responsibility. Just click on the apply button, which is given right over here. You just need to click on the apply button. After clicking the apply button, you will directly land on the page for which where you need to fill the form. The form is free of cost. You need not to pay anything. It's free of cost without going anywhere. You can fill directly from your phone. Or so you can check out this form. It's free of cost. You need to click here, and then after reading all these terms and condition, you need to just click on next button. Then after, if you are already a candidate on US website, then you can just log in your account. And if you're new to this, then you can create an account. You need to write down it's very simple. You need to write down your mail ID. After that, you need to confirm the mail ID. Then you need to write your password, and then you need to confirm your password. That's it. You need not to do anything for applying for these job vacancy. And whenever you will do this, you will find out the page for where you can upload your resume, where you can share your contact details, and that's how you can apply for any of these job vacancy in US or in any other region in global level. So guys, this is an golden opportunity. If you want to work in Africa, they have vacancy in these country, in Botswana, in Ghana, in Kenya. And also if you want to work in Asia, they have vacancy in China, India, Japan. If you want to work in Europe, they have vacancy in United Kingdom. If you want to work in North America, they have vacancy in Canada, in US, in Costa Rica. If you want to work in South America, they have vacancy in Argentina, Brazil, and many more country. So guys, check out this opportunity, which is only for you. If you want to work in full-time basis, they have an opportunity. If you want to work on part-time basis, then you can earn up to $22 for an hour. More than that, you can also get up that totally depend upon your position and also on your qualification. So guys, check out, hurry up, apply for these job vacancy as they have been posted on November and December month. So they must have a time limit also for that, which is not mentioned over here. So check out these opportunity and find out the job opportunity in your location, in your area, and work according to your needs. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till then, thank you so much and bye bye.